Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda with Makeup by Amanda, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I have my Boxy Charm Boxy Pop Up haul from you today, what I got from them, and I have a little bit of a skincare update. So we know that I bought some skincare from e.l.f. about a week ago. You guys probably saw the video about 4 days ago, but it's been about a week. So I bought the e.l.f. Keep Your Balance Toner, Daily Hydrating Moisturizer, Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser, the Super Hydrate and Moisturizing with Hydrating Squalene, and I also bought the Keep the Day Off, and a few other things that I haven't used yet. I do have to say I have actually stopped using the e.l.f. products because they are very high in fragrance and are aggravating my skin a lot. If you can tell, I'm breaking out everywhere around here, and I have a lot of severe redness. So I have stopped using them. I didn't even get a chance to try the exfoliating scrub because my skin was just not working. So I actually went back to my Sephora Hyaluronic Acid moisturizer and just like the Sephora vitamin C and E drops that I was using before. So unfortunately that's not going to work out, but I did order a different skincare line that was actually recommended to me by a few of my friends. So I'm sorry that this did not go, but I'm going to actually be passing these off. I do love the Take the Day Off Cleanser by Clinique. It's great because I like to double cleanse, so it's great for taking off all my makeup. So I absolutely love that. And I'm not too upset about these because they were only a few dollars, so I can probably just pass them on to my sister. She actually has really oily skin and it's not sensitive, so I think it'll actually help her. And stuff doesn't really seem to bother her as much as me. I do have sensitive skin, so I probably should have looked at the fragrance before I picked those products, but it's okay. I don't mind passing things off. So today I'm actually going to be doing my, let me make sure my address is not in here. Yeah, okay, we're good. So I got this box from Boxy Charm. I did the Boxy Pop Up, and I'm surprised it came so fast, honestly, but it did. And there's no sheet in here. That's fine. I thought that there was. Maybe I already took it out. I can't remember. So I'm just going to put the box here because it's too aggravating. Okay. So I'm going to start off with the skincare stuff first. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Redness Recovery Plus Antioxidant Eye Treatment. And it's a bundle of 3. So this is the Skin Fix Redness Recovery Antioxidant Eye Treatment, which I've actually never tried, but it's weird because they gave me 3 bottles of it and I thought it was only 1 when I actually purchased it on the Boxy website. I didn't think there was going to be 3 of them, so I don't know if that was a mistake by Boxy Charm or if they just sent, if it was a 3-pack, because I think with the 80% off from the Boxy Pop Up, it was like $12 for all 3 of these. So, I mean, I'm not mad about it. And they're all the Redness Recovery Eye Treatments. So, let's see. It says, free from fragrance, parabens, formaldehyde, silicones, a bunch of other stuff. It says, 92 naturally derived, clinically proven, increase skin hydration, reduce wrinkle depth, eye flaking, and visible redness, allergy tested, and pH balance. Apply gently 360 around the eye area, including lids. Avoid direct contact with eyes. If contact occurs, rinse well with water. And it says targets dehydration, eyelid flaking, appearance of dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, wrinkles, visible redness of all skin types, and it is for sensitive skin. So I'm going to open one of these. Obviously I'm not going to open all 3. Probably end up giving one to my sister and one to my friend as well. So this is what it looks like. It is the Skin Fix Redness Recovery. I've never used a Skin Fix product before. Comes with like one of those pull tabs. A lot of the stuff that I did buy is skincare because I'm like really trying to like up my skincare game. So we'll put that there for now. It looks like that inside. It's a good amount. It is, how much is in here? 0.5 fluid ounces. So, and it is fragrance free. Smells like nothing. It is just a little cream like that. I'm gonna put that little top thing back on so I don't. So I'm excited because this is it says Total Nerd Skin, and it's consciously clean and clinically active. So hopefully this will be good for my sensitive skin. It's interesting I have 3 of those, but that's fine. The next thing I've seen here, which I'm really excited about, is the Glam Glow Instant Mud 60-Second Pore Refining Treatment. So soft, smooth, even skin. And it says only 1 minute to perfect pores. It is a foaming mask treatment that instantly refines pores and evens skin tone, leaving skin smooth and soft in only 60 seconds with witch hazel, aloe vera, bentonite, and kalo clays, and licorice root. The micro bubbling mud activates the contact to energize and invigorate while perfects your complexion. Smooth a generous layer onto dry skin and do not rub in. Let sit in. The mask will transform into oxidizing bubbles. Leave on for 60 seconds. Rinse with warm water. Follow your regular treatment. Use 2 to 3 times a week as often as desired. Avoid eye area. So this is the pore refining treatment, which is good because I've been looking for something because I have like kind of annoying pores lately. So I'm excited to try to see if that works because it is a 60-second. I've never heard of 60 seconds anything before. Oh, I'm interested to try that out. It looks like that. If anyone's looking for it, it's the Instamud. Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. And it's probiotic skincare. So it looks like this. This foaming cleanser doesn't fight with acne. It prevents breakouts and unclogs pores while washing off makeup, excess oil, and debris. A unique combination of probiotics, salicylic acid, I can't even say that, and another acid, and superfoods such as tea tree, licorice, ginger help improve the look and tone and texture, leaving your complexion clear and smooth. Apply 1 to 2 pumps onto skin and rinse with warm water. Use daily. Non-conjugatic formula, 100% free from fragrance, alcohol, silicones, mineral oil, parabens, and phthalates. And then the active ingredients is salicylic acid, and it warns us to only use it externally. Using other topical acne medications at the same time may immediately following use this product may increase dryness or irritation of the skin. Okay, well I'm not on any medications. I don't know if this is what I thought I got, but I can't really remember. I'm looking at the ingredients and it is fragrance free. It doesn't have like any alcohol or anything like that in it. And it's supposed to help prevent acne. And I've been breaking out a lot, so I think that's why I did get that one. I kind of remember that a little bit now. Okay, and the next thing I see in here is this Glam Glow Essential Mask and Moisture set. So this should be a set of different masks from Glam Glow. They really like to say hello sexy. Okay, so these are a little smaller than I thought, but I think they're just little samples of each kind of. So this one is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment from Glam Glow, and then they have the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment, the Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, the Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment, the Flash Mud Brightening Treatment, and then the Glow Star Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So that's that kit, and I'm excited to try that because I've never tried any of their actual like masks. I did try the Glam Glow Probiotic I got in my BoxyCharm, and I do like it. The thing with Glam Glow is that they do use fragrance, and I know fragrance can be a really big irritant. So some of them they use more fragrance than others. It's hard to tell. A lot of people use them. I really don't know what the fragrance level is on these and what's actually in them, but I am excited to try them because I do know this is a trusted brand, so I will try those out. The next thing I see in here is this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and it's an exclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. So it says dermatologist tested, no parabens, sulfates, or synthetic fragrance or synthetic color. Right away I'm looking at it, I don't see any alcohol in it. And it looks like there's no any fragrance. I know it says synthetic fragrance, but I don't know what they mean by that. It says dive into hydration. Alaskan glacier water envelops skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Place moisturizer onto palm of hand while using your fingers and apply outward circular motion, tapping on the moisturizer into skin. It comes in a jar like this. I've actually never heard of this brand. I actually thought it was a different brand, but that's fine. I was interested because it was a water cream, and I think it did say fragrance free, and I just smelled it. I can't remember, and I know I just read that. Yeah, there's no fragrance in it, so it doesn't smell like anything, but I think it's a water cream, kind of like the Tatcha water cream. I'm not sure. We will try that out. So I will do an updated skincare routine when I figure out what that is. The next thing I have is this Becca Endless Summer Glow. It's a glow gloss. Oh yes, this was what I wanted to try. I love Becca Cosmetics, if you haven't figured that out by now. And I'm just gonna try it on, I guess. So I think it's just a, yeah, it says glow gloss. So drench your lips in light color to create curvable, kissable lips with a new limited edition shade of glow gloss in collaboration with California Cool Beauty. Blah blah blah. So this is just a gloss. So it's not a lip stain, it's just a gloss. But I think that's a pretty color. I've been into kind of like the nudish pink glosses, so I'm excited about that. And then the next thing I got, which is the last item, is the Violet Voss Best Life 21 eyeshadow and pressed glitter palette. This was one thing I was really excited about. I almost bought this from Sephora, and then I saw it on Boxy Pop Up and I was like, whoa, okay, that's a really big price difference. So the one thing I love about the Boxy Pop Up is that literally, like, I got like I got like 3 of these for $11. And like, I think this was like $7. Like the Glam Glow stuff, like this was $11, I think, or something like that. And Glam Glow is expensive if anybody ever bought it. So this is the Best Life Violet Voss palette. Oh no, I'm already sad. One of the glitters. Why does this always happen to me, guys? One of the glitters fell. Not all of it, just part of it. This like literally has been happening to me all week. It's just stuff like this. It actually went back in very nicely. So, alright, so that's the glitter side. I'll show you the one that fell out, which was called Happy Hour, because I need to get it off my skin. I mean, off the palette. I'm gonna put it right here. Wow, that's a pretty glitter. Now, of course, I have nothing to wipe my finger off with, but that's fine. Okay, I'm glad that that pressed back in better than the ColourPop that fell on me last week. And then, if you pull up the next part of the tray, you have another one of these little sticky things. And it has all the shadows. I'll swatch a few. I want to swatch this Friends one. And then there's one called Love here. I want to... Wow, these are pretty pigmented. Money, we'll swatch Money. Okay, that wasn't a good swatch. That was like sideways, guys. That's like kind of like a dark green, like it's like kind of a weird color. I'll do Vacation here. Like, these are really nice. I can't even do any more of them because my fingers are all a mess, but this is a wicked pretty palette and I cannot wait to play with this. Especially now that it's summer and it says always live your best life. And then it tells you like all the colors on the back. And I guess all the top ones are glitters and then the rest of them are shimmers and mattes. So I'm excited about that. I will do like a video with like the makeup later on. I didn't really want to do that in this video because I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and I want to give my skin a break because it's really been messed up. So I want to try to do a treatment tonight and just kind of like have it relax. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like these videos. I mean, I know that I've had a lot lately. They'll probably slow down now that I'm back to work. I actually went back to work today, like officially like worked and everything. So next week when the salon reopens, I will be a little bit busier than I am now. So I wanted to get this up so you could see it, and then I will be playing with this makeup and trying out these skincare products. I'm going to try the Acne wash, and I'm also going to try the Instant Mud after this, and then I'm going to try the water cream as well with the eye cream and see if that helps. I also did pick up some weightless face sunscreen from Hawaiian Tropic. I've never tried it before, but it's supposed to be 12-hour moisturizing and UVA and UVB and won't clog pores, so we'll see about that. I don't know how that will work. Sunscreen on my face is always difficult to find that like works for me, so we'll try that. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions for me about any of these products or BoxyCharm in general, just ask them down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful night, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!